crazy. Oh.
All right, so today is the day where we take off the plastic that has been here for as long as I can remember. We've been blocking these awesome windows that let natural light in, you know, which is probably pretty good for, you know, working on stuff, but we don't want anyone to look in. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some frosted glass on there and dial it right in. Alright, you can't really notice it, but it's a heck of a lot brighter. And in the video, it looks like it's already frosted because of how dirty it is, so you can't really see through it. But we're going to still sand it down, clean it, and frost it. Alright, so don't really know how to use this frosted glass by Restore. And guess we just spray and pray. Good thing I have proper ventilation mask on. So make sure you kids at home don't breathe it in. We're not really too concerned about overspray because if you look at the doors, they're not in the best shape anyway. But we're gonna just get ourselves a little frost. And let's hope it does what we need. Let that dry. Start the second coat over here. Alright, actually try it in the store.
Yep.
Woo. You don't know how many coats we're going to need for that. Alright, first impressions look good. It's tacking up right now. As you can see it, I don't know if you can see this in the video, but it, yeah, it's pretty much just all whited out in the video. But anywho, as it dries, it tends to fog up and look really good. So when it's wet, it still looks pretty clear. So that really doesn't help us much. We were worried it wasn't gonna look good, but it's actually tacking up pretty nice. We'll do a couple more coats to try to match this one piece of Lexan we have here. And now we're gonna go over and do the other door. Alright, Jamie, let's take this one down.
Production value.
There we go. Oh yeah. There we go. Oh. How many years has this stuff been up? That's the real question. Like the amount of grunge. How much grunge? How many years of grunge on this stuff? This snake skin. Woo! Can't even see in the camera how bright it is outside. Oh, these windows are much better too. That's gonna be nice. Oh yeah. What do we got? Can we even see outside? The camera cannot actually handle it. Let's see.
It's a paradox. We need both.
There we go. Look at that. Yeah. Turn the ISO down. Beautiful. See the compound outside. Oh, what do we got here? All right.
It's down.
Nice.
We're actually able to actually move.
I know. Looks good. So after we frosted these, I don't know if you can tell the difference between the frosted and the glass, we realized that it looks much better not frosted and clear. So what we're gonna have to do is we're probably gonna have to replace the bottom three. One of them was cracked anyway, and one of them was already Lexan that was all foggy. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna probably just replace those with new Lexan and just keep them clear, because if you look over here, it looks really, really good. And we were worried about having people be able to see in the building, but then, you know, 2 or 3 of the buildings we have here have no doors on them, so what difference does it make if people can look in? I don't know, but quite of epiphany we had here, but it looks killer.